now I have modified my Meet ETX 125 to accept. So I think I will use the max vision with this. It goes better, gives a better result. It looks heavier. Unboxing of a Skywatcher Heritage Virtuoso 114 telescope. Let's open it and see what is inside. Okay, this is upside down. I have to turn it over. I will remove this and turn it over. Okay, this is it, and this is with the tracking mount, which is really good. Worth just to buy the telescope for that tracking device, and the mount. You can use it in the windowsill or tabletop. And let's open it now, see what is inside. We have almost immaculate new telescope. Oh, here, dust cap, quite large telescope here. You see, dust cap, and that's the optical tube assembly, which I will take it out now. Okay, this is new. I bought it from eBay, and look, it is new. It does not need used. There is no marking, anything, and inside, oh, there is a tiny one, so probably it just was tested just to see if it works or not. Yeah, beside that, telescope tube and the bracket is immaculate, and this is the mount, which is really good. You have to use battery with it. And these are the accessories, which is a standard. I guess it has a 26mm, 25mm Virtuoso, 10mm Virtuoso Skywatcher, one Barlow, and brackets for installing the cameras on the mount, and the rest of the stuff. I'll just check it just to see if it is all that. A pure chance, I have two Super 10mm eyepieces here, beside the Barlow and the 25mm eyepiece. So, why not? That's really great. Yeah, this telescope was no use. Look, this is the cable release for the mobile. This is the compass. This is the red dot finder. This is the L bracket. This is the D bracket for the camera, DSLR, or another camera you can install. And that's perfect. This on its own is probably around £30 on the ground. And this one's cost also £10, £20 on the own. And this is the lovely mount. Huge, massive mount. Oh, okay. And one of the brackets for something. I wonder what is this for. Probably one of the stands for the telescope. Yeah. One of the telescope stands. So I'll leave it here. I don't want to open it. Just take the tube assembly, hook it up, and I have this stand already, one open, so I can use it. And I have the eyepieces also. Probably I will put that back in the box. I just use the optical tube assembly. Yeah, I just want to mention this is the tool for opening the battery compartment. Battery compartment has a screw and it will not come off easily, so that makes very strong. So you have to use this tool for that. Very well built. This is the Skywatcher Heritage Virtuoso 114, as you can see, and I put a 40mm Ostara eyepiece on it, quite wide. So there is nothing in the sky to look at tonight. It's cloudy, so I'm just going to see what can I see in the leaves. Yeah, it's quite an impressive large telescope actually. Let's look at something. Okay, the obstruction you see in the middle is because very wide angle camera and telescope, the eyepiece, and that's the thing you see. You can ignore it. When you look with the eye, you just don't see that. If I go into the image, quite dark cloudy day, so the image quality is excellent. I don't see any purple fringing or anything like that. All in all, I can say that is an excellent telescope. Image quality perfect. As a Newtonian, this is really a good piece. Surprised what a good image quality it has. Good Newtonian. That's not his mount. The mount is a automatic mount. I just put it on this one because it's easy for windowsill. I like this windowsill astronomy. The tube is so easy to carry, just short, and you can put everything on it. Just carry it around. Light, crisp image, perfect. Okay, now I have modified my Meet ETX 125 to accept. heavier.